today I will be performing health assessment on the integumentary system. So before doing the procedure, we have to first perform hand hygiene, identify the patient, provide privacy, and provide proper lighting. Okay, good morning, ma'am. I am Shaina Sawan, your first year nursing student for today. So may I know your name and your date of birth?
My name is Delvin Purisima. I was born on February 15, 2005.
Okay, so thank you for that. So after we identify the patient, so we are now going to do the first technique, which is the inspection. So we have to first inspect for the overall skin coloration and some lesions. Okay, so ma'am, may I ask you to please raise your hand? Okay. So as I was checking my patient's skin coloration, so there are no signs of jaundice, cyanosis, or erythema, and there are no signs of lesion. So it is all normal. Then, so the next technique that we will be performing is the palpation. So before performing procedure, we have to first wear gloves if necessary. Ano? So the first thing that we will have to palpate is the hair. So we have to check if there are lice, dandruff, or also we have to check if there are lesions. So may I touch your head, ma'am? So as I was checking your hair, so it is normal, shiny, and there are no lice and there are no dandruff. Okay. So your hair is normal and there are no dandruff. So is the skin turgor. So in checking the skin turgor is we have to pinch below the clavicle. So if you pinch the next is I will be testing your capillary refill on your nails. So may I hold your hand, ma'am? Okay, so in doing the capillary refill using your thumb and your index finger, you have to put pressure on the nails of the patient. So if the color will go back within 1 to 2 seconds, so that is normal. Okay. May I check the other hand now? Okay, so your capillary refill, ma'am, is normal. And as I see your nail condition, there are no clogging. And the last thing that we will have to do or to check is we have to check for edema. Okay. Okay, sir, there are no signs of edema, so that is normal. So we are all done. So